So I'm Brijesh and currently work for Oracle. I have 14 years of experience and it is my 10th year with Oracle. And I know Atul from a long time. I took a training from him, I think 10 years before on the EBS. From that time, I know him. It really helped me in my work at that time. And when I see some free webinar by Atul on Kubernetes, so immediately I thought, let me join. When I joined, before that, many people told that this Kubernetes is only for the developer. It is not for the people who are from database or EBS or any other background. But in the webinar, Atul clearly cleared all the doubt and mentioned that it is for anybody who want to explore in the field of DevOps or who are interested in the cloud architect or in the microservices management. So that really helped us to build the basic knowledge in the Kubernetes, and then definitely the course is awesome and all the aspects has been covered in the course. So if somebody is going through this course, that person can definitely get the good idea and clear this certification exam, which is very prestigious and very kind of a hard exam in a one sense. I want to learn because it's one of the prerequisite in cloud architect profile that a person should have good idea about the Kubernetes. To showcase, it's a good that you are able to show a certificate. It really give a confidence to the interviewer or to the project leader where you want to get engaged that you have a very good hands-on idea as well as the certificate, because many organization and many project, it's a requirement. So that's my idea and goal for this one. I think it's a very good, and on top of that, everybody is very supporting, very proactively. They are responding the queries. On top of that, there are sessions by Atul, especially on the Oracle Kubernetes engine. Other than the regular classes, he has taken a special session for Oracle Kubernetes engine, which helped me especially because I'm from Oracle and we are using OKE. This information, this data is not available anywhere by any of the trainer, but this is especially by Atul, so that helped me. I normally prefer the recorded classes because that I can run by my own pace. So that's my choice, yeah. And yes, as well as live classes also I like, because once you have seen the recording, you can clear the doubts. It's not possible for trainer to unmute and talk to the people all the time. So it disrupts the flow of the class as well. So a recorded session prior to the class and during the class you talk to the trainer. If you see the software development life cycle from the agile methodology, everything has been moved to this microservice management. If one person doesn't have idea how this Kubernetes, this architecture works, how we are deploying the container or in the pod, and so probably that person is not able to relate how this current market for the development is going on. So it is one of the key components which is probably highlighted by all the major companies that they are using Kubernetes as one of the key tool in the CI/CD pipeline. Okay, so that's why everybody should learn this training. So hands-on is very good. They have covered each topics like your scheduling, your troubleshooting, your networking, so all the topics covered in the hands-on. So I say it's a good one. They are keep adding new topics as well in the hands-on. So hands-on definitely going to help to clear the concept, because many times only theoretical things are not helping to clear the concept. In this training, the good part, hands-on is available, and that's going to help anybody clear their doubts easily. So I have also divided whole preparation in this area, and there is a weightage given as well. But in a nutshell, we can say all are equally important. We do not know in which section the question could be hard. It's not only important that somebody know the Kubernetes, but it's important you must know how to speed up your solution. So the only way is the practice, which already shared by many people. So practice is one of the key area, as well as focusing these areas as well. What could be how to design it, what is the key way for the networking, how the incoming connection I can stop or I can allow. So all these areas we have to divide, and we must know the theoretical part. So that's first thing, I clear the concept. What are the basic pod? What is the networking? What are the different components? Second, what I did, I created bookmarks, because in the exam you are allowed to see the document. Third thing, I created the multiple types of pod, deployment, networking rules. I applied, created the role binding, storage, cluster role, and all types of the case study which is available in the K21 as well as the Kubernetes document website. There also they have mentioned, these are the links, there are the different types of pod creation or different types of mechanisms are there. So I tried most of the situation to apply and create on my own system as well as on the K21 lab system, and that helped me in my preparation. My advice will be, for a beginner, he should attend this training, because in the training, Docker, the basic component already covered over there. In K21 training, they are going to cover Docker, and then they are going to cover Kubernetes as well. So good part, I have not seen anywhere that anybody is covering CKA and CKAD in a one shot, in one class. But in this one, you are covering both training together. So the person can decide the area, which examination I want to, CKAD or CKA, where I want to go. And as per that, that person can choose the path. So if somebody is a beginner, he must join, because here you don't have to worry for your prior knowledge. Docker, Kubernetes, everything is getting covered in detail.